welcome back to the Crypto Mastermind Show. Got some big news for y'all. Securitize rolls out tokenized credit fund with BNY, that's BNY Mellon, on Ethereum. The fund offers exposure to collateralized loan obligations with on-chain capital allocator growth planning. A $100 million anchor investment. This is big, guys. So if you don't already know, Securitize is a Ripple partner. Tokenization specialist Securitize deputes new tokenized fund to bring AAA rated collateralized loan obligations to the Ethereum blockchain. BNY will provide custody and fund services. Grove plans a $100 million anchor investment pending governance approval. BNY Mellon, massive Ripple partner, early Ripple partner, guys. Securitize announced plans to go public as momentum from real-world asset tokenization grows. Tokenization specialist Securitize rolled out a tokenized credit fund with a whopping $57 trillion in financial service giant BNY Mellon, as appetite for real-world assets is quickly growing. $57 trillion, guys. And we're only just getting warmed up. Telling you. The Securitize tokenized AAA CLO fund available on the Ethereum network aims to offer on-chain investors exposure to collateralized loan obligations, CLO. BNY will act as a custodian of the fund's assets, while investment management will be handled by Insight, a BNY subsidiary focused on fixed income and structured credit strategies. Guys, this is massive. Grove, the on-chain credit-focused capital allocator of DeFi protocol Sky, plans to place $100 million into the fund as an anchor investor, according to the release. This offering aims to bring one of the most stable credit products onto blockchain rails. As demand for tokenized assets accelerate, BCG and Ripple projected that the tokenized real-world asset market, RWA market, could reach $18.9 trillion by 2033, up from $35 billion currently. I think they're being conservative personally, but still massive, guys. This is what's gonna get you rich. If you're on XRP, if you're invested in XRP, this is what's gonna get you rich. If you watch to the end, I got some links to share with y'all. CLOs bundle corporate loans into tranches of varying risk levels. AAA rated tranches, the most secure, offering float rate exposure that typically appeals to institutional investors. I'm just gonna skip some of it. Tokenizing the fund's shares could change that by enabling faster settlement, improved distribution, and easier fractional ownership. For clients who are searching for yield, tokenization is a great way to improve access to high credit in an efficient and transparent instrument, said Jose Manea, the global head of BNY Investments and Wealth. Securitize has issued $4.5 billion of tokenized assets, such as equities and funds, including BlackRock's tokenized money market fund, BIDO. See, this is what's gonna get you rich, guys. It's tokenization. That's what's gonna get you rich. And yes, Ripple and Securitize partnered together. Ripple and Securitize enable RLUSD smart contract functionality for BlackRock's BIDO and VanEck's VBIL tokenized funds. BNY Mellon, Ripple partner, early Ripple partner. See, the more tokenization that happens, alright, then we have crypto regulations, alright, that's when you're going to get rich. Yeah, that's what's going to fundamentally drive up the value of XRP, and you need liquidity. That's what's going to drive things up. We're still very early in the stage, but I'm trying to show you the fundamentals of what's going on. You know? You still have a chance. If you haven't already bought your crypto, I suggest you check out Caleb and Brown, the best crypto exchange in the world, in my professional opinion, of course. It's safe and secure. You get institutional grade custody by Fireblocks, as you can see right there. You get your own personal broker, 24/7 service. It's a fixed fee on all trades. Best market prices on all assets, because they source different places to buy your crypto, you see. That's how they're able to get it for you at the lowest price and sell it to you at the highest price, or sell it for you at the highest price. You know, they're very great. They got an app. You can see their reviews are brilliant. You can buy your XRP there and all your XLM, XDC, and it's safe there. You don't need a hardware wallet unless you want one. They got that. Now they've created the app. If you have an LLC, you can set up a LLC or corporation or company account with Caleb and Brown, and they will take care of you. Please like and subscribe. Crypto Mastermind out.